Welcome, here I've got Honor 9X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the pro by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. So here we have access to other modes of this camera, and here is the pro, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here allows us to control the white balance, so the temperature of our picture. Now we are on auto white balance. By using this slider we can change the lights, so we have the cloudy light, then white fluorescent light, tungsten light, daylight, and at the last one position at this slider we have a button that gives us one extra slider, and here we can control the white balance in Kelvin degrees manually. By going to the right we can make it more warm, by going to the left we can make it more cold, so this kind of balance between the blue and the orange light, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. And of course by using the first one slider here and going to the left we can go back to auto white balance, so there's no problem to go back to auto settings. Now let's move to the second button. Here we have the autofocus. We are in C, so from the continuous shot the autofocus is also available with S, single shot, and by going to the right on this slider we get access to manual focus, and we have one extra slider, so here we can adjust the focusing like that easily. And of course by using the first one slider we can easily go back, for example, to the autofocus. So let's stay here and let's move to this button. Here we have the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right on this slider we can make it more bright, by going to the left we can make it more dark, so this is how it works. At the center we have 0 parameters, so now we are again on auto exposure compensation. Let's move to the next one button with shutter speed. Here we can manage the time of taking picture. By using this slider we can pick the time from 1 4,000 of second, so this is really short time, and this should be better, for example, to taking pictures the objects that are in move, to frozen them at the picture. By using this slider and going to the right we can make our time much longer, and at the end of this slider we have 30 seconds time, so this is really long time, and this should be better definitely to objects that are stable. And of course at the beginning we have the auto settings, so there's no problem to go back to auto shutter speed. And let's move to the next one button with ISO. Here we can adjust the camera's sensitivity to light. By using this slider we can make it less sensitive from 50, and by going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 110,400 of seconds, so this is really wide spectrum of ISO, and I see this this is the first spectrum of ISO as wide as here I see, so I think this is really pro feature here. And of course at the beginning of this slider we have the auto ISO, so now we are again on the auto settings. And let's move to the last one button. Here we have the metering. We are in the matrix metering. We can pick also the center weighted metering and the spot one. And this is how to use this. And now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. Most of them is also in standard photo mode, but in the Pro we have one extra thing I want to show you. In the capture settings category at the third position we have horizontal level option. By using this button we can turn it on and turn it off, and this is kind of camera leveler. Let's go back to the camera now, and we have this line. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And when we have these blue signs and this line is in the blue color, it suggests us that now our camera is perfectly straight. And of course we can go back to the right corner to turn it off and tap on this button, so now the leveler has gone here. And also let's tap on this button with I letter here. When we tap on it, we get access to some information about the promote, so you can learn from this and read about all of these features. And now let me use these settings to take a picture. So for example, let me pick the white fluorescent light in the white balance. Let me focus manually now. Here, the exposure compensation a little bit brighter, than the shutter speed right here, and the ISO maybe here. The mattering, let's pick the center weighted, and let me tap on the shutter. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how the photo looks like by using the promote features. Of course, this is only an example. I suggest you to make experiments with that and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.